Hi everyone, my name is Oyemi. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, and I'll be taking over the Same Reaper and Friends account for the next 7 days. So I'm so happy to be part of this community, and I'm really looking forward to sharing the process behind my next sewing project in Halfscale. So as some of us may know, Nigeria had its Independence Day 3 days ago, taking us through the process of designing and making a dress inspired by the Nigerian flag and coat of arms. Okay, so this is what I want to work on. So I designed this myself. So this is sort of like green and white kind of effect. So but there'll be lace on top of this while having a green fabric beneath it. So I'll also be using tool to do a little bit of dripping from the side seam going down, and at the top here I'll be doing some beading at this top right here. So let me show you the fabrics I'll be using. So I have my two beads that I'm going to use. So I have this green fabric which is going to be underneath, and then the lace. Yes, so this is the lace. So this is what I'm planning on. So it's just going to be see-through and have this effect, and then the lace would come over it. So I've used my half-scale blocks to trace out a dress pattern. So this is a full-length dress pattern. So I have the front here and the back. So first off, I'm going to need to trace this out, because this is my master pattern. So I'm going to need to trace a copy of this. So once I'm done tracing a copy, I'm going to work on manipulating this pattern, this basic pattern, into this. So I just did this to see what I'm going to do for the bodice. So right now I have this in 2 layers. So if you can see, so the first layer here is going to be a corset. So I'll be using boning or something to make it stiff, and then it has to stay away from the bust at this point. And then I'm going to have an inner layer here. This layer is going to have the beading, and then this part here will be a corset. So for me, what I do is to use carbon paper. It makes it easier and faster for me to copy my patterns instead of using tracing wheel, because I believe tracing wheel, once you use your tracing wheel, you still have to take the time to mark out the patterns left by the tracing wheel. So I just prefer to put carbon, so that once I trace on this, I get the copy instantly. Okay, so this is the front, and this is the back. Okay, so this is what I have now. It's coming along nicely. This is it. Excuse the mess. Turn this around. So I just need to unstitch this down. So this is fully lined, though at the moment I have only the skirt lined. The bodice is not yet lined. Yeah. fixed my zip. Then I still have the inner one to work on. So last minute I decided to make the inner body a separate garment.